Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So it's time for me to teach you guys the short burst strategy, right? Now this is a very small strategy. It will take you about some 5 minutes to actually understand the strategy. It's not really that a big strategy, right? I'm just going to make things very simple for you. So first thing first, what is the short burst strategy? Now the short burst strategy is a 1 minute strategy that I use to execute trades on gold. That's it. I only use it on gold. You can try your best and probably try your best and use it on different pairs and see how it works, but I only use it on gold. It's that simple. So how I came by this is a very easy thing. I just saw this reoccurring patterns, right? So I decided to build a strategy around it. And it has been good since. It has been years and it has been good since, right? I only teach this to my students. I don't really take this much. I only teach this to my students. If you're my students, after you've learned constant strategies, I have to teach you this because this is a non-constant strategy, right? Now, obviously, as you can see, I've already categorized it. It's a non-constant strategy. If you don't know this, let me explain this very quick. So constant strategies are strategies that have time and place, meaning it has a specific time that you execute it, like the 714 method, the MBK strategy, or ORB, right? They have time, specific times that you can execute those strategies. By now, constant strategy can happen anytime in the day. It's that simple. It can happen anytime in the day. It happens according to price movements, right? So we only need 3 steps to actually execute the strategy. The first thing is just a double touch. If a double touch is created, then we'll look for a reversal, which is also a change of character, right? And we'll enter into our trade and put our stop. That's just how it is. It's very easy. Now this is the models. This is the uptrend model and this is the downtrend model. In the uptrend model, what do you think we are looking at? You can obviously see that we are having a double bottom, as you can see just right here, and immediately after the double bottom you can see a reversal making a change of character just right here. That's how easy it is. Now when we go to the downtrend model, you can see the same thing. We are having a double top just above this range right here, and immediately after that we change character. So this is just what you need to understand about this. Now when you come to how do we execute this trade, I'm going to use the uptrend model, but it's the same thing when you just flip it around, right? So it's very easy. We have to have a double bottom, which we already have around this range right here. Immediately after that, what we need is a change of character, and what we are just waiting for is for price to just close above the last high, changing character, and that is where we enter into our trade. Now obviously, if it's a big candle which pushes all the way up, meaning that's is going to leave a gap behind, probably a fair value gap, you can wait for a small retracement back before you enter into the trade. But obviously, I always try my best and enter immediately after the candle closes just above. Your stop loss has to be below that double bottom, and you have to target your highs. Now you can just use 1:2 or 1:4, or basically you can look to your left to find your entries that you can put your first and what second TPs, right? It's that easy. You don't really have to stress yourself that much. Now let's go to a basic example so that I'll teach you guys how this works. So this is an example of what I'm just talking about. This is a gold what chart, right? You can see that is JAL US. So what are we looking at currently? Obviously, you can see price pushing all the way up. We are in an uptrend because you can see this high getting taken out. Price pushing all the way up. Now look at this range. What are we seeing? We are seeing our double top right there. You can see price rejecting here, coming all the way back down, pushing immediately up again, and you can see the reversal happening again, right? This reversal is telling us that our entry model is now confirmed because we are having a change of character right here. So all you need to do is enter into your trade, put your stop loss above this, and you'll be targeting. You probably target this as first TP and this right here as second TP, right? It's that easy and it's that simple. So let's look at how the trade actually played out. Obviously, when you look at it, that is the execution of the trade. You can see how it played out, right? Now, when I was actually taking this screenshot, I realized that we had another entry model just above here. I'll try my best and explain it just after this. I'll show you a video examples of this. You can see another entry model, right? What are we having just above here? You can see that we're having a double top just above here. Price immediately reverses and change character right there. You enter into your trade, your stop loss goes above this, and you target your first and what second tip. Now, when you look at this level that I'm equally talking about, you can see that it's obviously the same thing. But let's look at the examples. So you can obviously see that we are having a double top right here. Now, what we expect is price to change character in the opposite direction. Obviously, you can see price changing character right here. Easy as that. Just look at it. Very, very easy. All you need to do is enter into your sell. You enter into your sell. Your stop loss, I've said it already, has to be above this range. And your TP, you could equally just look forward and put your TP, but I always use a trailing stop, right? So meaning as price pushes down, I continue to bring my stop loss closer and closer. So when price actually reach this level, my stop loss would have already been at what break even, right? I'll probably be looking forward for price to either get into this range right here, this level right here, but probably maybe this range right here, right? That's how easy it was. It's a very simple strategy. You just have to understand it. Now, I wasn't really looking at this. I was trying to explain this and I just saw it right now, right? So let's go ahead and explain this. So obviously, you can see that every requirement that we need here is actually met. And let's look at this as well. So the first thing you see when you are looking at this trend is price just started pushing all the way up. We came up to this range, price couldn't break through, came back down for a pullback, retraced all the way back up again, still couldn't break through, and will end up what reversing all the way back down. So this is a very nice requirement that we need. Now, what are the things that we should consider if we want to enter into the trade using the short bar strategy? The first thing is, and the most important thing, is the double top. When you look at the trend from here all the way up, this is the end of the trend. This is the end of this trend as well. We are having our what? Our double top right there. And immediately after the double top, we need to see a change of character in a what? In the opposite direction. Now, when you look closely, you see that yes, this right here was our what? Our change of character. Every single thing has been met. That is just it. All you need is the double top and the change of character. Easy as that, and you enter into your trade. It's that simple. You don't really have to stress yourself, right? So with this, everything that we need has been set. All we need to do is just mark our levels and enter into our trade. So all you needed to do was just mark this double top right here. Try your best and enter into your short position immediately after you've gotten the change of character, which you probably have gotten right here, just like that. So with this candle, you will have gotten your change of character. That's just it. You put your stop loss above this, and you equally target this low and this low right here. So imagine if you were already in the uptrend, or the first trade that we actually analyze. Imagine if you are already in it and you've gotten another trade again, you are entering into it again. So with this strategy, you could have been in about two trades just within 30 minutes. Sorry, within 30 minutes you could have been in about two trades, because this was the other trade as well, and you'll be targeting this same levels. Now with this second trade, you probably would have already been in massive profit even after seeing this second one, right? So this is just it. That's how it works. It's just a very simple strategy. You don't really have to stress yourself that much. And obviously, as you can see, price would have hit your first TP and your second TP. With this big trade, you probably would have been looking forward to taking your first TP around this range right here. And maybe if you were someone who don't really want to see price go that far, or if you're afraid, your second TP would have probably been around this range. And that is it. Easy as that. That one too would have been met. You would have gotten into a very nice trade. Now, if we keep playing this, we'll probably get another one. This happens more often than usual, right? It happens more often than usual. And this is just one simple strategy that you should just learn. So I think I've just seen another one. So let's look at this range. You can see that we're having one, two, three. That is not a double bottom. We don't enter into the trade. That is not a double bottom. Mind you, this trade works either ways, whether a double top or a double bottom, we enter into the trade, right? Look at it. We have our first touch, price went up, came back for the second touch. Now, if this trend actually did what? Just break structure or change character, rather, sorry, and will continue to push up, we would have entered into a buy. But when you look closely at it, you realize that it actually came back. tested it for the third time. So this is invalid. We don't use it to enter into a trade. But let's look at this level right here. What are we seeing? Are we seeing a double top? Obviously, we are seeing a double top just above this range right here. You can obviously say it right. That right there is a double top, because if you look closely, you realize the price pushed down, went all the way back up to that range again, and immediately did what? Change a character. And that is the most important thing that we need so far. All we need is a what? A change of character. And you can see it right there. Price just change character. Obviously, with this candle, you can see that we are still at the low. So let's see if we get a change of character right there after probably price moving a while. Let's see. So you can say it happened, a change of character. We did not come back to retest this zone. That is why we did not enter into this trade. If you look closely at it, you realize that we actually came all the way back down and retested that zone again, making it invalid. We can't enter into a trade using it. But when you look closely at this, we never reached that level. If I pull this all the way through, there's no way we have reached that level. And finally, we've gotten our what? Change of character immediately after the double top, right? So what do? We enter into our trade. Easy as that. As usual, put your stop loss above. Now when you look at this trend, where should you be targeting? You should be targeting this as your first TP, and probably this low right here maybe as your second TP, right? Because you want price to actually either push all the way down and kick it out, or just continue shooting all the way up. So this was a ton of reversals. Just put your first TP there, and that was it right here. So this should have been the trade. Now let's see how the trade actually went. So obviously your first TP could have been hit, and you could have obviously already brought your second TP or your second trade at break even, and you just hope to see where price goes, right? Very, very simple. So let's see what happens. Now, when you look closely, you realize that you would have been kicked out at break even on this third trade. Look at it right there. If your stop loss was already at break even, you would have been kicked out, right? But still, it was already a win because you've actually gotten your first TP. So you see how this actually happens, right? It's a very simple thing. It happens every single day, every single time, almost every hour. You can see this type of pattern, right? And you just enter into your trade. Now that's just it. That's the examples that I have to give. I actually used it in a trade. If you want to check out the trade, you can check it out. It's a very nice trade. It's made me over 20K from that trade using this same pattern, right? See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.